A friend asked me about this, so I tested it, and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill on the Movistar app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Movistar app. Launch the Movistar app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to register first. Step 3. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing or my account section in the main menu. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. View your current bill. In the billing section, you should see your current bill amount and details. Tap on it to see a breakdown of charges. Step 5. Check for notifications. Look for any alerts or notifications regarding your bill, such as due dates or payment options. This can help you avoid late fees. Remember, if you don't see your bill, it might be due to a delay in processing. Just give it a little time and check back later. I hope this helps you manage your Movistar account easily.